And today I'll show you just one more thing of coding, how to unexpand and expand your code, and much more things. So first of all, let's do the things where you can change your H1 if you click on a button. So first I'll remove this style. You can put it back, although first if you did the style, delete it. So even you have to delete that. Type ID, kind of like how you did your image tag. You put an ID. Don't do the same one as yours. For example, I'll do my first H1 title. And now I'm gonna go to this single quote. Right after that, I'm gonna put a semicolon, and I'm gonna do document dot get element by ID and put parentheses, single quotes, and type the name of your ID. I'll type my first H1 title. And now I'm gonna go outside of parentheses, inside the double quotes, and I'm gonna do dot in our HTML equals single quotes, and I'm gonna do 1. This is my 1 button, so I'll do 1. And do the exact same code for your other buttons, except make sure you give it a different H1, although just it can be any H1, just not the same as your other button. But really all the code's the same. So you can do document dot get element by ID parentheses single quotes and my first H1 title, and I'll do dot in our HTML equals single quotes. Inside those single quotes, we'll type 2, and I'll go to, and for the 3, same outside of the single quotes, semicolon, document dot get element by ID parentheses single quotes, and type your ID, my first H1 title, and dot inner HTML equals single quotes and 3. And now you can put your style back, and here's how you can do that. Go to the end, go to your last double quote, and you can, and then go to the right side of your last double quote and type space style, and you see it'll say it's an error, but as soon as you put your value in, it'll remove that as an error. And let me change it back to blue. I'll run this. and you see this is my 1. If I click on 2, the image changes to 2, and also the H1 changes. And 3, the H1 changes and the image changes. And so now I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code app. And now I'll show you how to expand and unexpand. So first let's unexpand the body tag, and now you'll see it'll just look like this. Although really you see these 3 dots, that's all the lines of code we did. Now let's unexpand the head tag, and the 3 dots is our title tag. Now let's unexpand the HTML, and these 3 dots is all the code we did, including the doctype HTML. Hold on, let me just put the doctype HTML back. And you see it won't include the doctype HTML. Now it's only about this code, although these 3 dots is a lot of code. And you see our program is still working perfectly because we only unexpanded our code. So now how do you expand it again? So to expand our HTML tag, click on this arrow over here. To expand our head tag, click on this arrow over here. To expand our body tag, click on this arrow over here. And you see we have all our code back. And that's cool, right? And also, if you want most of the code for the computer to do for you, then just do exclamation return, and it'll give you most of the tags for you. And that's cool, right? So now you know how to click button. Now you know how to make images pop up and change your H1 in HTML. Bye. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.